Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize websites on Wix for sports and outdoors business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design and content and customize your site. So first of all, you have to build with Wix editor. So click here. Okay, so as you see here, you can start to set up your website with AI. So you can answer on these questions here, and it's gonna help you to set up your website. So I'm gonna try to set up without AI. So let's move on. Let's get started. So here you have to enter the business type. Okay, for sports and outdoor. Okay, for example, you can choose whatever you like here. It depends on your business. For example, I'm gonna choose outdoor sports store. Let's continue. So enter here the name of your business. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical products, drop shipping products, maybe services. So this is depends on your business, whatever you like to sell. What would you like to sell? Online store, person, marketplaces. So let's continue to dashboard. Now go and design the site. Okay, how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize design template. So I'm gonna get started from here. So here you have to edit and add your information. So you can add the logo, the name and the email, the address and the phone, and also you can add the social link. Here you can pick a theme you like. So you can pick a theme that match your business. You can try your best to make your site look attractive, like the simple details, like the fonts, like the themes. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose this one. So pick your favorite homepage design, whatever you like from here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Add pages. Okay, now wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage designs. So go to the editor to complete the design of your homepage. So as you see here, this is your homepage. So here you can add elements. So you can customize here the same text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Also you can import and upload images. As you see here, you can upload and import images. You can search for something like for if you want to upload images. Also you can customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons. You can add some decorative, the basic shapes, arrows, horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Okay, so let's move on. So as you see here, this is the first section, the header section. So you can manage the menu, the horizontal menu. And also you can manage the business card icon and the mini card. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, the same thing here, so you can change the section background, the strip background. Also you can change this image here. You can change the title, you can add a paragraph. If you want to generate another one, another title, just go here, generate AI text. Just enter here your the type of the business. Okay, so as you see here, you can use this text or this one. For example, I'm gonna use the first one. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. So this is the services section. Okay, so you can manage services. Okay, so here you can add the services. For example, this one. Okay, so you can add tagline, the description, the duration, the prices options. You can manage the prices options, the location, the memberships. Okay, after this you can save this place and go back to complete design. Okay, so you can choose whatever you like in the design. For example, you can change the color in the background. Let's move on to the next section, the subscribe form. So nothing special here, you can just change the design of this subscription form. You can change the email file title, the submit button. Okay, now let's move on to the next section, about section. So as you see here, the same thing as normal, nothing special here. You can just change the titles and the column background, the strip background. You can also manage the layout section. So you can choose a new layout here as you like. Now let's move on. So this is the same thing here as the services, just you can manage the products instead of the services. So add new product, physical product. So here you can add the title of your product, the product information, the name, the description, the prices options. You can custom the text and the product options, the inventory. You can manage the inventory and the shipping. Okay, so after you're done, you can save this place and go back to complete the design. So here you can, this is the contact section, so nothing special here, just you can change this, the daily hours, the daily working hours, and also you can change this paragraph here. So nothing special, this is depends on your business, so you can change the hours of your work. So that's it. So this is the last section here, the footer section. So you can add here your email and your company name for the copyright. Okay, so after you're done, if you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page, and you can choose also the design, any design you like of any section. So after this, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. Okay, so after this you can publish your website, and now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.